This is Brenda with Pete's RV Center, and today we will be taking a look at a 2019 Forest River Grey Wolf 27RR toy hauler. We'll start with the outside here. We've got a power tongue jack, double propane tanks here. There's your battery. And I'm going to pan out here so you can see the side. The previous owners did go with a slide topper, which is great to protect that slide from water and debris like acorns, sticks, stuff that can get stuck up in there and cause damage. Additional cable for if you're at the campground and they've got a big satellite that you can hook into. Double axle, and you have Goodyear tires on here. Here's all of your water connections, your hot and cold shower, and your black tank flush. That's 30 amp service down there, and you do have a little utility light on the side here. The toy haulers will have these vents here for if you have your side-by-side or motorcycle in there to vent it out in case there's any fumes. Here's the back garage door that is prepped for a rear backup camera. It has the wiring there. And then here's the view from the back here. So you've got a double entry into this camper, into the garage, and then into the main living area. On the side you've got the waterproof speakers, a place to put your TV. The previous owner on this did put vent covers on, which is great for protecting against bugs, mice, rodents. We've got an outdoor kitchen here with a fridge, ice maker, sprayer, and then there's a 2-burner down there with a sink that you can fill up with water. Let's look inside this fridge here. There we go, nice and clean. There is also a quick connect down here for a quick connect propane grill. And then finishing off the outside, you of course have your power awning up top there. A spot to plug in a suitcase or portable solar. And it looks like a pretty big storage area up here. And they've got a spare tire in this one. So, all right, let's go inside.